Stein. Hey, good morning, guys. This is Eric from Addicted to Crappie. Hadn't been out in about a month. Thought I'd come out, give it a shot. You know, that's one to start the morning. It ain't much, but hell, we're gonna take him. Looks like there's a pretty good school right here, so we'll see if I can get on and put some in the box. I'm not real picky today. School seems to be moving around a little bit, but we got live scopes. We'll follow them around and see what we can do. Fishing with minnows right now. I think jigs will work just as good. And we'll find that out in a little while as well. If you guys would, like and subscribe to my channel. See, I'm wearing a life jacket today. Water temperature's about 57, so you know, it's getting cool. I don't want to be a victim. So let's get after these crappies. There's another one. I don't know if he's fishing. Well, that's a pretty good one right there. I'll take him all day long, folks. That is a good eater. I'll take him. I'll take him. That one's been in a fight. He'll fight no more. He'll fight in the grease. That's two right off this pile. They hit minnows, so we'll just keep on with them with minnows until they tell me different. When they tell me different, I'll go to I'll swap over to some jigs. May do a little trolling for them. I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna let the fish dictate what they want today. There's another one. That feels like a good one. Good enough. Good enough. Good enough for the box. That's three off this pile. Again, this is sitting right on the main channel. Right off of the main channel anyway. But I'll take him. That's three, baby. That's three. I'm fired up today, boy. Hadn't been out here in a month. Ready to catch some fish. There's one. Looks to be a pretty good school right here. I'm gonna sit down on them a minute and see what I can do with them. That's a good one, folks. That is a good one. Come here, you. Daggone. That is a good one. What do you think about that one? That's a good fish all day long. I don't care where you at. Yes, sir. I'll take him. Big mouth on it, too. That's a good one. That's a good one. Another good one. Another good one. Sir, he's been in a fight too. Look at the top of his head. He ain't got to fight no more. No more fight for him. His war is over. Well guys, thank you for joining me today. Able to catch a few good fish. You know, they were scattered, so it wasn't easy. Just had to walk them down and drop it on them and hope they hit. But anyway guys, down here on Lake Tobesaki, water temp's about 56, and it's been a pretty nice day. No boat traffic, no real wind. Had a good day. Caught some fish, and we'll give these to Roscoe, I believe, and him and his family eat good tonight. But anyway, if you would like and subscribe, check me out.